Welcome to 365 Math. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the percentage change or the percentage decrease. And we're going to use this formula right here, which says the percentage change is equal to the amount of change over the original multiplied by 100. We can rewrite this equation and say the percentage change is equal to, when we're talking about the amount of change, we are saying the new number or the new value subtract the old value over the old value, and we're going to multiply this by 100. Remember, we are dealing with percentages, which is per 100. When we are calculating the percentage change, you need to take note of the sign of the value. If it is a negative number, that means that it is a percentage decrease. And if it is a positive value, that means it is a percentage increase. Example number 1 gives us two values. We are moving from 30 to 45. How we are going to calculate this, we'll say percentage change using the formula that we have above is equal to the new number, which is 45. So we say 45 subtract the old number, which is 30, all over the old number, which was 30. And we're multiplying this by 100. 45 minus 30 gives us 15 over 30 multiplied by 100. And we can simplify this fraction 15 over 30 by looking for the highest common factor. And the highest common factor in this case is 15. So we say 15 into 15, that's 1. And then 15 into 30, that is 2. And then we can cancel and say 2 into 2, that is 1. And 2 into 10, that is 5. And 2 into 0, that is 0. Now we are left with 1 times 50 over 1, which gives us 50 as the answer. So our answer is 50%. We can also use the decimal form to calculate the percentage change, whereby we're saying from this step right here, where we have 15 over 30, we can change this fraction into a decimal form. And by so doing, we have 1 over 2. And then we divide 2 into 1. That gives us 0 point. And we add another 0. And you say 2 into 10. That is 0.5. Now, multiplying 0.5 times 100, we get our final answer as 50%. So that is another way of calculating it using the decimal form. Example number 2, we have 70 to 38. So to calculate the percentage change, we are going to say 38 minus 70 all over 70 multiplied by 100. 38 minus 70 gives us negative 32. And we have negative 32 over 70 times 100. And then we find the highest common factor of 32 and 70. And in this case, the highest common factor is 2. So we say 2 into 32 gives us 16. And 2 into 70 gives us 35. Now we have 16 and 35. We can multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. And hence we have negative 16 times 100, which gives us negative 1600 divided by 35 times 1, that is 35. And if we divide this, we get our answer as negative 45.7%. Now remember, the negative sign tells us that the percentage change is a decrease. Hence our answer is 45.7% decrease. Number 3, we have $120 to $150. To get our percent change, we're going to say 150 subtract 120 all over 120. And we're multiplying this by 100. 150 subtract 120 gives us 30. And we have 30 over 120 times 100. Now we're going to simplify this fraction, whereby we say 30 into 30, that is 1. 30 into 120, that is 4. Now we have 1 over 4 multiplying 100. and we get 100 over 4. We say 4 into 4, that is 1. 4 into 10, that is 2, remainder 2. 4 into 20, that is 5, giving us our final answer as 25%. And because it is a positive value that we got when we subtracted 150 and 120, it means that the percent change is an increase. Number 4, we have 400 meters to 250 meters. And to calculate the percent change, we are going to subtract 250 minus 400 all over 400, which is the original number, multiplying 100. 250 subtract 400 gives us a negative 150 over 400, and we're multiplying this by 100. And we're going to simplify negative 150 over 400 by dividing both by 50. And we're going to say 50 into 150, that is 3, and 50 into 400, that is 8. Then we multiply negative 3 times 100, that is negative 300 over 8 times 1, which is 8. And then we divide negative 300 divided by 8, and we get our answer as negative 37.5%. And remember, since it is a negative, that means we have 37.5% decrease. This is how you calculate the percent change. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.